Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today is really exciting for me. I'm going to be doing a full paint correction on the C5 Corvette. As you can see, I picked up some detail equipment. I'm going to be prepping the Corvette to sell, unfortunately, so we're going to get the thing looking good and try to get it posted online. So we're going to start off with citrus wash and gloss with this foam cannon just to get the car clean. We're going to be doing this clay bar kit from Meguiar's after that to get some of the small contaminants off. And I'm pretty excited about this. I picked up this TORQ orbital polisher off Amazon. It was about $140 for this entire kit. Now what that includes, it comes with these micro bottles. So from a heavy cutting compound, the 32 all the way up to the 38, which is a final polish. It gives you these micro bottles and then 3 pads. So you get a heavy cutting pad, a medium polishing pad, and then a final finishing pad. So what I think I'm going to be doing is I'll get the car clay barred and I'll really show you some of the imperfections, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do the 32 or 34 for the heavy cutting. I'm going to do the 38 for the final polishing, and then to get out, that'll also get out some swirl marks towards the end, and then I'm going to do this extreme top coat sealant with the finishing pad. Now this is a wax and a sealant in one, which is kind of nifty, and I'm pretty excited to see how that turns out. And then to finish it off is I have some detailing buddies that were raving about this. It's the Turtle Wax ceramic spray coating, and I heard that has great results, so I'll be finishing off with that just for another layer of protection. And then we'll be doing some trim restore just so we can get the car really looking good. So if you guys have any questions, definitely feel free to comment. This is honestly my first time ever doing a paint correction, even using an orbital polisher. I've watched dozens and dozens of videos, so we're going to give it a shot. If you guys have any advice, please feel free to comment. Alright, so I just got done using this clay bar kit, and I'm not sure if you can see it. This is just one example. Kind of all the particles that come out of it. It's just insane how much contaminants are really on this paint. And then as you clay bar, you can really feel it just smooth right out after about a second or two, and then you can obviously see the contaminants coming out. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start polishing. So what I'm going to do is grab this orange pad, got the buffer, and then we're going to do probably this 32 compound. I want to show you some areas that are pretty bad. Some of the scoring and just scratching. It looks like they just struggled removing the previous wrap, so we're going to try to see if we can clear this up. You can see they had some sort of like a little spoiler or fin on this all the way down it. And then on the tail here is actually the area I notice when I get out into the sunlight where the most scratches are. Okay, so we just finished up, so I'm going to leave that for about 15-20 minutes. But I wanted to show you that it leaves just like a glaze over it. And I didn't want to buff this completely out because people even hand apply it, which you really just want to leave a glaze. You can see what it looks like right there. And we'll wipe it off. overall, definitely worth the money. I'll take a look at the car. And you can see just how amazing that paint looks. No swirls at all. Everything's ceramic coated. I went ahead and I ceramic coated the wheels and the windows. Just looks insane. Now of course it didn't get this deep gash out, a little score mark, but I'm okay with that. This looks absolutely incredible. And then for the trim, you can see how good that made it look. And then over here, get that deep black. That definitely, you can tell it won't be permanent. It's just a coating on top of it, but do that every other time that you wash your car and should keep it nice. So like I always say, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. If you guys have advice, again, I just preface this was my first time doing it ever, so I know my techniques weren't amazing, but it did the trick and it came out looking great. But just, yeah, definitely comment below and like and subscribe if you want to see some more content.